Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing ingredient that would actually help you to increase blood, that if you are having shortage of blood. Okay, this is actually going to help you. It's very natural, it's very healthy, it's going to help you stay away from sickness, and you are going to be loving it. It's literally going to clean your blood and help you boost it up. Okay, so if you want to know all the ingredients, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notification and click all, and let me take you right into the video. Guys, you want to increase your blood, you are having shortage of blood. Yes, I have some very good natural remedy that would help you to increase your blood flow, and you are going to, you are going to be really healthy. So what you're going to be needing is this, and this is watermelon. Okay, so I'm actually going to be using a lot of this watermelon. Okay, okay guys, so after that, then you would have to so this is it, and I'm gonna be blending it really well. Okay, so I need to actually cut it in pieces so it can blend. And since it's watermelon, it doesn't actually take too much of time to blend. Okay, so after that is done, then we're going to be sieving it out. Okay guys, so this is my watermelon. I have a whole lot of it right now. And what next we're going to be needing is beetroot. Now you want to increase your blood, you want to clean your blood, you want to live healthy, and you want to, live long, because when you're healthy, you're literally going to be living a very long and healthy life. Okay, so you need beetroot. So this is beetroot. So I actually got this in our local market. So after doing that, I'm gonna be cleaning it, and then I'll have to cut it into pieces. Okay, so I'm equally gonna be blending this. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be needing to sieve it out. You want to increase your blood? This is a perfect solution for you guys. Okay, so this is my beetroot and it's ready. And the next thing you're gonna be needing is garden egg. You're gonna be needing garden egg. Okay, you have to get this green garden egg, okay, because that is actually what is going to, you know, work out really well. Okay, so green garden egg is basically what you're going to be needing. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be cutting the garden egg in pieces. Now you need much of this garden egg, so if you have a bigger blender to blend this, then you can as well just, you know, can as well just blend it, and then you can as well take more than one of the garden egg and blend it into this drink, and you basically have everything you need to increase your blood. Okay guys, so this is it, and I'm equally going to be straining it out. Okay guys, so after that our drink is ready. Our watermelon, the beetroot, and we're definitely going to be making use of this, and this is honey. So let us put in our drink. So the beetroot goes in, the watermelon follows suit, the garden egg follows suit. Okay, and then also we're equally going to be putting in a little bit of honey into this, and you put it in and then you stir it. Okay, so this is it. You want to increase your blood when you drink this. This is actually going to help you increase your blood like really well, and it's going to help you to fight sickness. It's equally going to help you to live a healthy life basically. So let me have a drink of this guys, because I can't wait. This is so yummy. The watermelon is very sweet, although beetroot is usually not sweet, but I just love the smell. But watermelon was very sweet, and the honey actually complements it. And go have this to clean your blood, increase your blood, and be healthy, be smart, and live a healthy life. So that's it. All of these ingredients are actually natural. Well, formerly myself, I don't take it, but now, oh my god, it is an everyday thing for me. I take it a whole lot, especially the beetroot plus the, you know, garden egg. Like, it helps me so much. Even when I was pregnant, I actually take it a whole lot because I had shortage of blood, and it was very helpful, okay, for me and my baby. All right, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll see you again in my next video. And bye.